Informed consent. Informed consent is a way of acquiring the client's signature to validate that they are aware of all of the risks and benefits of working with a fitness professional. Clients should be mindful of the fact that they can give informed consent freely without any pressure and have the right to withdraw it whenever they want. Informed consent is usually gained before the beginning of any exercise or health appraisal process. A fitness professional collects all the relevant information from the client. This information includes the client's information related to lifestyle, physical activities, eating habits, medical history, etc. Based on this information, the fitness professional conducts the client's fitness assessment, gives recommendations based on the results. From here, a fitness professional will advise on lifestyle changes and design an effective workout plan according to the client's needs. The simplest method of obtaining consent is to provide them with the informed consent form. The informed consent form should adequately explain what risks and benefits are involved in the session. Always ensure that as a fitness professional, clients have time to ask any questions if they feel the need to do so. After this, ask the client to sign the form. This signature indicates that the client has given consent and is ready to participate in the fitness professional session. Defining consent. The consent is considered to be valid only when it is informed, and the person who is giving it must give it voluntarily and have the capacity to understand it fully. What do these terms mean? Informed. It means that all the conditions, risks, and benefits of working with a fitness professional should be mentioned in the consent form, and the person giving consent should be fully aware of it. Voluntarily. It means that the decision of giving or not giving consent is entirely based on the client's personal opinion. Capacity. It means that a person giving consent must be mentally and physically capable enough of making this decision. Ways of giving consent. Number 1. Verbal. Verbally giving consent to someone means that they are providing consent through your words. For example, a person says that I am willing to do this exercise should consent. Number 2. Non-verbal. Non-verbally giving consent means you are giving your consent by using your body gestures, such as stepping onto a treadmill or picking up a weight. Number 3. Written. Written permission involves signing a consent form or PAR-Q. Always keep in mind, at any time during training, should the client decide to withdraw consent or give up training, the fitness professional must respect the client's decision. Summary. Informed consent is when permission is granted with full knowledge of all the possible adverse consequences. A client gives informed consent to a fitness professional.